Page 22, Down by the Station. On this page, they're introducing you to what's known as dynamic signs. Dynamics in music means how loud or soft is the music, how loud or soft is the note. And this is a gray area. It's not an absolute, this is it, period, done. No, it's a gray area. They give a list at the top of the page of some of the dynamic signs. These are just some of them. I don't like lists. I prefer we learn these in the music as we go through, but if you like lists or you want to go down and try and memorize those things, you go right ahead. The letters are abbreviations for Italian words, and then the English translation is in the last column. I'm going to cover them in every video because now, as part of my process of learning a new piece of music, I have to add dynamics to that. So we'll consider that also. So let's look at Down by the Station. It's 2 lines long, treble and bass clef, 4/4 time signature. We got half notes and quarter notes and a whole note. And I'm hoping by now you know the names of the notes in the music. And you know the names of the keys on the piano. If you don't, please go back to page 16 or before and go over all that stuff again. Drill yourself on this. You gotta know it. So the sooner you know it, the better. We're only using a few notes right now, so at least get these down. And that way, as we add more notes later on, you don't have quite so much to learn. Now, the right hand plays the first line, the left hand plays the second line. So let's take the first line and see, make sure we got the notes and the rhythms. Gives you a thumb. Remember that little 1 above the staff? That's for your first finger, which is the thumb. If you put thumb on middle C, because that's what that note is, here, then your hand goes here. And it's 1, 2, because a half note gets 2 counts, remember. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You get the idea. I don't want to play it off. I'd rather you play it and read the music and discover it on your own. And then in the second line, the left hand is playing that, and this little finger on that C, and that C is just down from, it's the first C down from middle C, it's here. That puts the hand here. So it's quarter notes. 1. Okay. Once you're comfortable with that, and you go through it however many times, and make sure the beat is a steady beat all the way through, no hesitations. And also try and play this without looking at the keyboard so you can remember which finger is on which key. It does come. After a while, it's natural. You don't even think about it. But at first, you got to think about it. Then we add the dynamics. Now that we have the notes and the fingering rhythm down, we can add the dynamics. MF is between the lines. Is short for mezzo forte, which is an Italian word for medium loud or moderately loud or sort of loud. It's not loud, it's sort of loud. It's a range. I don't know what medium loud is to you. It depends on your situation. The room you're in, or are you outside, inside, or what, it depends on the situation. So I can't tell you this volume level is medium loud. You're going to have to decide that. But whatever you decide sort of loud is, it's not loud, it's just sort of loud. And I'm using enough weight to play that. The louder it is, the more weight I'm using. The softer it is, the less weight I'm using. So it depends on how heavy I want my hand to feel. So it's sort of loud. And you keep that dynamic level until they give you something else. Well, in here, they don't give you anything else. Well, okay, then the whole thing is going to be medium loud. Mm-hmm. Please don't copy me. I hesitate even playing these for you because it's too easy for you to say, well, just play it for me, let me hear it. I hate that, I really do. I want you to be able to read the music and discover it on your own, what it sounds like, and then after you've learned it, compare it with others and see how it compares. It doesn't have to be exactly like somebody else. but you can usually tell, oh, I missed a note, or I got the rhythm wrong, or maybe they're wrong and I'm right. Who knows? We're going to pretend I'm right. So, yeah. So, once you know it, come back to the Play With Me section. Now let's play it together slowly. Now, in the Play With Me sections, I don't do dynamics. I play everything about the same. It doesn't matter if it's loud or soft or whatever. All we want to do is get the notes and the rhythms correct. So I don't need dynamics for that. So I'm going to give us 4 counts. Let's play it together slowly. 1, 2, ready, go. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.